Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So with everyone working from home nowadays, I wanted to cover some of my favourite products that I use to work from home that make my sort of daily life easier. So let's get straight into it. One of the first products that I recommend is a high quality microphone. Now this is a Blue Yeti microphone that I've had for around 5 years now, and the quality is just amazing. It's great for podcasts or any sort of audio recordings. It's great for phone calls, for video calls, all that sort of stuff. It's a simple USB microphone that just plugs directly into your computer and you can start using it straight away. There's no software, anything required. It just starts working right away. It's relatively affordable as well for what it is. And yeah, you get some fantastic audio. So if you're looking for a good quality microphone, I highly recommend checking out the Blue Yeti microphone. When it comes to headphones or earbuds or whatever else, I personally really like the AirPods Pro. I love how they fit in my ear. I love the noise cancelling. I think the quality, the sort of audio quality is okay. Obviously it's not fantastic by any means, but it's definitely good enough. And when it comes to the microphone quality, it also works. You know, it's not going to be as clear as the Blue Yeti that I mentioned earlier, but it's definitely adequate enough. You know, if you're someone who's working with other people around in the same home or whatever, or you have kids or whatever else, and you want to have a sort of private listening experience or a private call, this is one of the best ways to do it. You know, you don't have to use AirPods Pro. You can use anything really, any other earbuds or headphones. I personally just like the AirPods Pro. When it comes to keyboards, one keyboard that I've always recommended is the Keychron K2. I've already done a review on this keyboard, but yeah, it's a fantastic mechanical keyboard, which I think is very reasonably priced. You know, there are some mechanical keyboards which are a lot more expensive, but the Keychron K2 is a great sort of starter mechanical keyboard, you could say. I think for anyone who's looking for a very good typing experience, the Keychron K2 is a great place to start. So yeah, if you're looking for something that sort of ups your typing game, you could say, I definitely recommend checking out the Keychron K2. When it comes to computer mice, I personally use the Magic Mouse. However, the Magic Mouse isn't for everyone. The other one I highly recommend to anyone else is the Logitech MX Master 3. It's not a cheap mouse by any means, but it is such a great mouse. I have also done a review on this. It is a fantastic productivity mouse. It has so many buttons, so many different sort of customization options. It has 2 different scroll wheels. So, you know, if you're someone who's working in, it could be any program really. It could be Word, it could be video editing, it could be design, Excel, whatever it may be. The MX Master 3 is a fantastic productivity mouse and one I highly recommend checking out. When I'm working at my desk, I like to make sure I can keep an eye on my phone, you know, be able to see the screen for any important notifications or whatever else. And I like to make sure it's charged at the same time. Now, there is a charger from Native Union that I use, and it looks fantastic and it does that exact job. It does exactly what I'm looking for. It keeps my phone upright so I can see it whilst working at my desk, but it also keeps it charged. And, you know, if I get any messages, any phone calls, anything like that, I can see it without having to pick up my phone and without having to sort of look over when the phone is sitting flat on a desk. And yeah, it just works fantastically well. You know, there are a ton of other wireless chargers out there. I just really like this one from Native Union because it's a very high quality looking charger, and obviously it looks great too. If you're like me and you like to listen to your music out loud, I can thankfully listen to my music out loud most of the time because I'm on my own. So a system that I recently invested in is Sonos, and the Sonos system is just fantastic. The sound quality is great. Obviously, there's no sort of audiophile sort of quality, but being able to have my music sort of channel all the way through my house is just brilliant. I have 3 speakers. I have one in my office, one in the living room, and one in the kitchen. And yeah, they just work fantastically well. They are a bit of faff to sort of set up when you first get them, because you have to sort of go around the room and wave around your phone to get the sound right or whatever else. But once they're set up, and once you have like Spotify or Amazon Music or Apple Music or whatever else paired up to them, you can just use Alexa to basically play any tracks that you want, and it works fantastically well. If you are sitting at a desk all day, it is obviously highly recommended to get a proper office chair. Now, I have tried out many different office chairs. I personally really like the IKEA Marcus office chair. You know, it's not any high-end Herman Miller or anything like that. Herman Miller chairs are great. You know, they're very good looking, and for a lot of people they work really well. I did have a Herman Miller Aeron, and I just didn't like it as much as I liked the IKEA Marcus office chair. I think they have recently released a new one, IKEA. I think they have released a sort of updated design to the Marcus office chair. But yeah, I highly recommend just investing, a little bit of money into a proper office chair, because it will make you sit upright. It will make sure that your posture is right, and you'll be comfortable for hours when you're sitting there. Obviously, you probably shouldn't be sitting for hours anyway. You should be getting up every hour or so to take a break. But yeah, investing in an office chair is definitely recommended. It will do wonders for your back later in life. That's pretty much it when it comes to some of the products that I recommend. If you have anything that you guys recommend, leave them in the comments below. I'm sure everyone has their own sort of set of favorite products, essential products that they would use day to day when they're working from home. So yeah, leave them in the comments below. I will leave links to all the products that I've mentioned in the description below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe for more.